It's arrived. Got to take it out to the garage when we have these kind of shenanigans. Oh, you go. We're stuck. So in hopes of becoming a better skateboarder and relearning to skate and building my confidence in skating again, I bought myself a rail from Keen Ramps. I'm gonna set it up, see how it looks, see how scared of it I am, and just do a couple tricks on it here in the driveway. Seems pretty straightforward. The last time I bought a rail, well, my mom bought it for me when I was in 6th grade, a little red one, and I learned to skate on that thing for many years in a very small space in the garage. So I figured if I could do that then, I could do that now. All right, just like that, in a couple minutes, it is unpacked, it's ready to go. Feels slick enough. I think I can board slide first try. I haven't ollied today. That's probably a good thing to do, but I'm just so excited. Quick stretch, and then we're gonna board slide the whole thing first try. All right, slicker than I thought. Second try. Yeah. Did you like that, Kira? So first board slide, solid. Even with this little wobble, that didn't seem to affect me at all. So perfect size, perfect rail. We're back, baby. I don't have a lot of time to skate this right now, but I'll definitely try a couple more tricks quick. Maybe a feeble. The goal is to take this out this weekend, and I'd like to relearn like feebles, smiths, blend slides, 50-50s even on this. A little scary, but I'd like to do that. Front feebles, back smiths, that's in the future. And lip slides, all these tricks that I haven't done in years. Hopefully I can relearn on this rail because I'm tired of just doing board slides all the time and 50-50s on boxes and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the next step in the skate journey. Feeble sounds tough right now, but if I just man up, I could probably do it first try. Oh yeah, that's slick. Well, I haven't done a feeble in a long time. If I just do it, then I think I can just do it. It's just a feeble. I'm thinking way too much about it. That little taste for it got me there. I think, no, I don't think. I know I got it. Not quite. Now I'm not scared. Now I'm into it. Oh yeah, that felt good. That felt good. It felt so good. I'm gonna land it again. Wow, I haven't feebled in so long. Oh yeah, that feels good. That felt awesome. 2 feebles. Once you get over that fear and then you start to get into the technical part of it again and you figure out that thing, then it's smooth sailing. You just remember. It's so fun. 10 tries, 8 tries, 9 tries, not bad. And that's the thing with having my own personal rail. Instead of going to the skate park, I lose the fear of being judged and judgment from other people, and I get to go at it as much as I want to in that moment instead of waiting my turn. It's like I'm a kid again, and it's like a little training ground in my mom's driveway. So super stoked to kind of be in that mindset again. That was really fun. I'm gonna do one more feeble. Okay. Well, we learned feebles today, and that's a win. That's it for now. Thanks for watching Old Man Nito. Soon to have it all back. One trick at a time.